Let's go through question 4 now. So question 4, we have an equation. We have an equation with polynomial terms. So this is a bit more complicated, but yeah, nothing too intimidating. So 3x cubed minus 4 divided by x cubed minus 2x equals to 12x squared minus 2x minus 4 divided by x cubed minus 2x minus 9. So first of all, let's see what's common here, something that should make it simple. Well, x cubed minus 2x we have on the left side and we have it on the right side. So we have the same denominator. If we have the same denominator, we could write this fraction together and it's going to be more simple. So let's do it. We are going to take the right side to the left, meaning that we're going to subtract it because we have it with a positive sign over here, and we're going to take it over there with a negative sign. So we would have x to the power of 5 plus 6x to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed minus 4 divided by x cubed minus 2x minus all of these things. So let's put the bracket. 12x squared minus 2x minus 4 divided by x cubed minus 2x. And the bracket is important because if we forget to put the brackets, we would not change the signs. But remember, when we use a negative with a negative, it's going to become a positive value. So that's the reason we keep the brackets, because we change the signs. So that's equal to minus 9. So let's actually do the math now. So we have x to the power of 5 plus 6x to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed minus 4 divided by x cubed minus 2x minus, and now what do we have there? 12x squared. Minus and minus makes a plus, remember? Plus 2x minus and minus makes a plus again, so plus 4 divided by x cubed minus 2x equals to minus 9. Now, because we have the same denominator, so these things are the same, they are the same. Let's write everything as a fraction. X to the power of 5 plus 6 times x to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed minus 4 minus 12x squared plus 2x plus 4 divided by x cubed minus 2x equals to minus 9. Now let's see what happens here. We have minus 4 and plus 4. They cancel out, so they cancel out. What are we left with? We have x to the power of 5 plus 6 times x to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed minus 12x squared plus 2x divided by x cubed minus 2x equals to minus 9. Well, we can't do anything else here. We can't simplify anymore. What we can do is just divide this fraction. So we're gonna have a polynomial division. So let's do that. Let's get some space and do just that. Let's go up. Yeah. So let's start. We have x to the power of 5 plus 6x to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed minus 12x squared plus 2x divided by x cubed minus 2x. X cubed minus 2x. So how do we start? Well, we divide the first term into the first term over here. X to the power of 5 divided by x cubed, that's equal to x squared. So that's equal to x squared. Now we multiply this back into these terms. X squared times x cubed, that's equal to x to the power of 5. X squared times minus 2x, that's equal to minus 2x cubed. So let's write it underneath the x cubed term, so we can see it better. Now subtract. So x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 5, that's just 0. 6x to the power of 4 minus, well, that's the same as 0x to the power of 4. We have no term with x to the power of 4, so it's just 6x to the power of 4. Minus 3x cubed minus 2x cubed. Well, that's minus 3x cubed plus 2x cubed, which is just minus 1x cubed. And let's take this term down, minus 12x squared. Okay, now from here, let's divide again. Let's divide 6x to the power of 4. We divide 6x to the power of 4 into the first term, into x cubed. So we have 6x to the power of 4 divided by x cubed, that's just 6x. And now we multiply back 6x into these terms. So we have 6x times x cubed, 6x to the power of 4, 6x times minus 2x, that's equal to minus 12x. Minus 12x squared, I'm sorry, minus 12x squared. Again, subtract, see what we get. 6x to the power of 4 minus 6x to the power of 4, that's just 0. Minus 1x cubed minus, again, this is just 0x cubed because there's no term. So we are left with only minus 1x cubed. And now minus 12x to the power of 2 minus 12x to the power of 2. That's just minus 12x squared plus 12x squared, which is just 0. And let's take the 2x down. From here, it goes down. Again, same thing, same method. Let's divide first term into first term. So we take minus 1x cubed divided by x cubed. Minus 1x cubed divided by x cubed. That's just minus 1. Minus 1 multiply back into the terms. So we have minus 1 times x cubed minus 1x cubed. Minus 1 times minus 2x is plus 2x. Subtract and see what we get. So subtract minus 1x cubed minus 1x cubed, that's just minus 1x cubed plus 1x cubed, which is 0. 0, and here we have no term, which is just 0. And then 2x minus 2x, 0 again. So there's no remainder, which is nice. We actually have a division, and that's the result. X squared plus 6x minus 1. Now let's go back to our equation. And what was all of this for? All of this was for the following, that we had this division, we calculated it, and it's equal to minus 9. So we can actually go on and solve. We would have x squared plus 6x minus 1, that's what we just calculated, equals to minus 9. Now, quadratic equation. So let's write everything equals to 0. X squared plus 6x minus 1 plus 9 equals to 0, which means we have x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. How can we write x squared plus 6x plus 8? Well, that's just x plus 4 multiplied with x plus 2 equals to 0, which means that either x plus 4 is 0 or x plus 2 is 0, which means that either x is minus 4 or x is minus 2. And that's it. That's our two possible solutions. We are done.